Hello guys, in this video I will tell you the quarantine exemptions for international arrivals into India and domestic arrivals specifically into Mumbai. So if you are traveling from any part of India to Mumbai, these are the conditions that you need to follow. Okay, now I'm very sure you may be knowing the quarantine policies for the destination that you are traveling, but this video is specifically to know who can apply for an exemption and what is the procedure for it. Okay, let's move on. Air Suvidha. Air Suvidha is the platform established by Ministry of Civil Aviation and Delhi Airport for all the international passengers who are coming into India and to apply for a exemption. You should apply 72 hours before your departure date. Applicable to which cities? It's applicable to all the international arrivals into India. So no matter which part of India you're traveling to, you can apply for an exemption. And these exemptions are for institutional quarantine. Now, who can apply? It's not that all passengers can apply. Only these five categories are allowed to apply for an exemption. Pregnant woman, or if you're suffering from a serious illness, you need to attach your details. If there is a death in the family, or if you are a parent traveling with your child who is less than 10 years of age, or if you have tested negative for COVID, you need to attach the certificate of RT-PCR test only. Okay, no other test, only RT-PCR test. Where to apply? The link is newdelhiairport.in. If you hover around the Air Suvidha, you get this drop down wherein I have circled the place where you'll get the form to apply for the exemption. Okay. Now we'll see the domestic passengers exemption for traveling into Mumbai. Applicants are recommended to apply at least 2 days before departure so that government has enough time to process your request. The minimum time they need is 3 hours post your successful submission. So you can expect a reply within 3 hours or maximum up to 2 days. Applicants are required to issue a permission letter mentioning travel dates, purpose of travel from the relevant competent authority based out of Mumbai. This letter needs to be addressed to the Office of Additional Municipal Commissioner, which is located in Mumbai. So this is only for government employees who are traveling on duty. Normal passengers don't need to worry about this. Even this point, you need to have a copy of permission letter, ID card, address proof in the prescribed format at the time of applying. Okay, so these conditions are only for government employees. Normal passengers don't need to worry. In government officials, only government, semi-government officers from central, state and union territories arriving into Mumbai for official duty, and they need to have the documents of as in their government ID and the permission letter, travel dates and purpose of travel from relevant competent authority based out of Mumbai. For short visit is defined as a stay less than 7 days. You need to have your return flight ticket and address proof in order to apply for an exemption for your home quarantine. And in the others category, you have doctors, healthcare professionals, advocates, engineers, consultants, technicians arriving into Mumbai for government related assignments. And the documents remain the same as the government officials. Now, where can you apply? You can apply on this link on the Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai website. I have circled the place where you can apply for an exemption. Okay. Now the place of the form may vary. You may need to just do a bit of an R&D on the website. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you have liked it and it's helpful for you. Please like, subscribe and comment to my video, and do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified when my next video comes.